Welcome back. Let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now we'll be talking about collapsed table borders. To avoid having double borders like in the example that we did in our previous tutorial, set the CSS border collapse property to collapse. This will make the borders collapse into a single border. So for example, this is how it's going to be. Inside your table and your header, your data, you are going to do what? You are going to specify your border properties along with what? Your border collapse property. So now let's use our border collapse property because we have already specified this. If you don't know how, we have discussed about this property before in our previous tutorial, so we can't discuss about it again now. So we have to use this one now so we can be able to know, we can be able to go faster because I don't want this tutorial to get too long. So back to our document. This is our document. Firstly, let's see how our document looks right now. This is how it looks. This is how it looks now, as you can see. So now I want it to collapse. I want all this here to be just one instead of having one here, one here, one here, like all of them having separate borders. I want them to be inside one border, one single border. So we are going to come to our style sheet here. This is our style sheet here. We are going to put it here, the border collapse property. We are going to specify border what? Collapse. The border collapse property to what? Collapse. So when we save it, you are going to come here, you are going to reload it. Can you see? When we reload it, you see all these borders removed. So I want to show you something. In our previous tutorial, we have built something here. So let's remove this one now to see how our document looks now. Let's reload our document. Can you see? It's not looking normal. So, but let's say we don't use this thing now. If, for instance, we don't use this, let's remove our border collapse property. Can you see? Our document looks like this, and the one that we don't have anything there, the element is also having border. So that is the benefit of using the border collapse. But if we use the border collapse, everything will come and everything will need. But if we don't have it, let's say you don't have it now, let's say we don't have it, let's say for instance we don't have it right now, you can see how our document will look. So if you don't know how we got here, I want you to watch our previous tutorials so you can follow along. So I wish to see you guys next time. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name. Up to the next. Thank you. Bye bye.